Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to begin. It says, express the length of the shaded parts in decimal form. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to first count how many boxes there are. And what I mean by that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That lets us know our denominator, the bottom number, okay? So the bottom number is going to be 10. Alright, the top number, the numerator, refers to how many boxes are shaded in. So if we count the boxes that are shaded in, it is 3. So our numerator is 3. We need to turn this into decimal form. And the way this looks is like this, okay? If you remember from our lessons from last week, 0.1 stands for a tenth. And how many tenths do we have? 3. So we're going to keep going. 2 and 3. If we add this all up, it equals to 0.3. Okay? And then same thing for our next tape diagram. Okay? It's important to note that whenever we see single lines like this, that means there are 100 boxes, okay? So again, whenever we see the single lines like these, that means there are 100 boxes, okay? And then if we look to what's shaded in, each whole box stands for 10. So this is 10, this is another 10, and then you're going to count these single lines by 1. So if you pay close attention, 10 plus 10 is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So our numerator, our top number, is going to be 27, okay? And then to convert it into decimal form, we're dealing with the hundredths, so it's going to be a 2-digit number after the decimal. And what I mean by that is it's going to be always 0.27. Okay? Then we're going to move on. Again, I see the single lines filled in, so that automatically tells me that it is out of 100. And if I count how many shaded in, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. My numerator is 35. In decimal form, this is equal to 0.35. Okay, and then my last tape diagram. Okay, I don't see any of the single lines here, so this is out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then the parts that are shaded in is so I'm just, when it's shaded whole like this, they're going to stand for ones again, like our top one, okay? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 4 tenths. And that is equal to 0.4. Then we need to order it from least to greatest, okay? So if I look at the first number for each decimal, they're all zeros. So then we're going to move on to the next number. I have a 3 here, a 2, a 3, and a 4. I know the 2 is the smallest out of all those numbers, so my first number I'm going to write is 0.27, and then I'm going to cross it out. Okay, then I'm going to move on. My next least number is 0.3, and then I'm going to move on. I know that 0.35 is less than 0.4, so I will continue to write 0.35, and my greatest number is 0.4, and that is it.